Hey traders, John Howell here. Quick market update. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. All right, traders. So let's have a quick little market update for you across the board. Right now, we've just finished the market close for the week, and it's actually been an incredible trading week. I'm really enjoying my trading right now. As you can see right now, we had a bit of an up bar today. So really interesting stuff that's happening and that's forming through here as we speak. We're still in very no man's land. But looking at this market right now, we can see how we had this low, and this sort of equal low through here. So we're going through this period of these sort of movement down through here, and it's really interesting to see this nice big up bar through here, or this up candle. There's actually a very big interesting point that I was actually seeing this here. So it's like, okay, we're still on a downward trend, so nothing has changed, but are we actually about to see this thing break out? And are we about to start to see this thing rally? I was thinking this market was probably going to start to see some movement on the downside, but a very strong rally. We're not out of the woodworks yet, but that's what's happening through there on the S&P 500. Same sort of thing as well too. Down, up, down, and now we're basing out a bit of a gap up here. So is this gap here a breakaway gap? It's really fascinating to see what's happening through here, right? Is this gap here a breakaway gap? And are we about to see something like that? I've always believed we're going to go through a second half year rally in the markets. I've always said that. But I always thought we'll probably get one more pullback, one more bounce before the strong rally. We still could get that because we did get it. We're still in this sideways range, so we still can get that. But looking at the markets right now, we could be getting ready for that rally. So if we do start to break above this resistance level through here, we could be getting ready for that second half year rally. Again, for me personally, I always was thinking, and we still can get it, that we get one last crack in the markets on the downside, and then we start to see the second half year rally. So maybe the second half year rally is going to be starting like now. It's really interesting because we are getting a bit of a gap up right now and a bit of a movement to the upside. So do we start to break above this sort of 11,600? If we do, then we could possibly start to see some movement back to the upside. We're getting things like the Russell as well too. So the Russell is definitely making a bit of a sideways movement through here. But again, if the Russell does start to base out and we start to get some sort of movement up through here like this, and we get a breakout, then man, we could actually be getting that rally, and that last crack that I was seeing may not happen. Now again, I've always believed that we're going to get a strong second half rally this year, but maybe the rally is starting now. So what do you think, guys, in the chat box below? I could be wrong about that drop coming in the markets there. Let's have a look at gold here for a minute here. Gold right now is still holding around these levels of these major support levels, so not much going on there with gold. Very interesting to see what's happening here with gold, and the stock market sort of holding strong as well too. Silver had a bit of a nice little bounce today, so I believe we're going to continue getting a bit of a bounce out of silver as well. I believe we're probably likely to see something like that when it comes to the silver market out there. So it's actually really interesting to see what's happening through here, traders, because if I do look at, say, things like the interest rates. The interest rates are continuing to come down. Okay, we've got the 10-year here having a bit of a downward move as well too. So is it because the interest rates are actually starting to come down that we're starting to get this floor underneath these markets? It's a really interesting dynamic to see here with what's going on. So maybe, just maybe, traders, maybe I was wrong about the last drop. Maybe that what I saw for the second half of this year, maybe we're starting to build a bit of a base right now before we see a big rally in the markets. Anyway, leave a comment below, guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you real soon. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new Breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.